Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is SITI NURASLINA binti JAPLIN and my nomenclature is A1AA0X74. Today we want to present about finance management company. Our company name is AHMAD ZAKI Resource Company and our competitor is IJM's Corporation BERHAD. This is the difference about finance management of the boards of company. Okay. Firstly, I want to introduce about our company, AHMAD ZAKI Resource BERHAD. Okay, AHMAD ZAKI Resource BERHAD is one of the leading contracting companies in Malaysia, such as IJM's company, BERHAD. Our company was established in 1982 and it used as AHMAD ZAKI Sendirian BERHAD. In 1997, our company was renamed to AHMAD ZAKI Resource Sendirian BERHAD. Our company has earned its reputation as an award-winning landmark builder as well as Malaysian infrastructure. We want to introduce about IJM's Corporation BERHAD. IJM's Corporation BERHAD is the one of the leading constructing companies in Malaysia. IJM's began with a dream of a group of evil engineers who were ahead of their time. Okay, with the merger of three local construction companies, IGB Construction Sendirian BERHAD, Jutanama Sendirian BERHAD, and Muda Jaya Sendirian BERHAD. IJM was formed in 1983. IJM is competing with foreign players who are well capitalized in the growing Malaysian construction industry. IJM's first motto is great, strong, and concert.
Hi, I am binti AFRIZON. So right now I am going to present about the financial ratio for our company, which is AHMAD ZAKI Resource BERHAD, and our company have chosen another company to make a comparison the financial ratio between our company and another company. So our group has chose IJM Corporation BERHAD to make the comparison. Back to with me. So in this slideshow is about the ratio that our company have used. So for the activity ratio, it consists of average period collection, account receivable turnover, fixed asset turnover, total asset turnover. So for the liquidity ratio, it consists of current ratio and net working capital. So for the leverage or solvency ratio, it consists of debt ratio and debt to equity. So the last one is probability ratio. So for the probability ratio, it consists of debt interest earned, gross profit margin, operating profit margin, net profit margin, return on equity, and also return on asset. In this ratio, it has the formula to calculate it, which is for the current ratio, we need to put the value of current asset divided by current liabilities. While for net working capital, we need to put the value of current asset and then minus it with the value of current liabilities. Same goes to the activity ratio. For the average period collection, account receivable is divided by daily sale, and for the account receivable turnover, to find the value of sales need to divide it by account receivable. So net, to get the fixed asset turnover, we need to put the value of sale and divide it by the fixed asset. Okay, for the total asset turnover, we need to put the value of sale and then divide it by total asset. There is a difference between the fixed asset turnover and also total asset turnover. For the fixed asset turnover, we need to we need to divide it by fixed asset. Why? Total asset still is need to divide it by total asset. So there is a difference between these two ratios. So net for the debt ratio, we need to put the value of total debt divided by total asset. For the debt to equity, the total liabilities or the total debt divided by equity, and the net for the time interest earned, the EBIT needs to divide it by interest. For the gross profit margin, we need to put the value of gross profit and then divide it by sales. Next is operating profit margin. To find the value of operating profit margin, the value of EBIT is divided by sales. So for the net profit margin, the formula is earning after tax divided by sales. And then for the return on equity, earning after tax divided by total asset. So the last one is return on asset. Earning after tax is divided by total asset.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SHAMSUL bin HASAN. I want to talk about vertical analysis. Vertical analysis has 4 parts. Part 1 is liquidity. Number 2 is activity ratios. Number 3 leverage or solvency ratios. And last is profitability ratios. First, liquidity. In liquidity has 2 ratio. First, current ratio and net working capital. In current ratio and net working capital, IJM company has higher than our company. Second, activity ratios. Activity ratios has 4 ratio. First ratio is average collection period, second achievable turnover, 3 fixed asset turnover, and 4 total asset turnover. In average collection period, AJM company has higher than our company, which more 946.55 times. And in receivable turnover, fixed asset turnover, and total asset turnover, show that our company has higher than AJM company. Part 3 is leverage or solvency ratios. In leverage or solvency ratios has 3 ratio. Ratio first is debt ratio, second debt to equity, and last time interest earned. In leverage or solvency ratios, show that our company has a highest ratio in debt ratio, debt to equity, and time interest earned than AJM company. Last is profitability ratios. In profitability ratios has 3 ratio. First, gross profit margin, second, operating profit margin, and last, net profit margin. In profitability ratios, show that AJM company has the higher ratio with gross profit margin, operating profit margin, and net profit margin. That AJM company has show more percentage than our company.
Horizontal analysis from company AHMAD. First, liquidity ratio. The current ratio in 2017 is better than 2016 and 2018 because it is mean that for every 0.70 of current liability, the firm has 0.78 of current asset to repay that 0.70 of liability. Net working capital current ratio in 2016 is better than 2017 and 2018 because it is mean that for every 100,000 of current liability, the firm has 159,336 of current asset without the inventory and prepayment to repay that 100,000 of liability. Number 2, activity ratio. Average collection period formula: AC receivable divide daily sale. Inventory turnover ratio in year 2016 is higher than 2017 and 2018. This is because the bigger the ratio, the company will get the effective of inventory to generate sale. Account receivable turnover formula: sale divide AC receivable. Since the year of 2018 is less than year 2016 and 2017, this will give effective in collecting receivable in company. Fixed asset turnover formula: sale divide fixed asset. Since the year of 2016 is less than year 2017 and year 2018, this will give effective in collecting fixed asset in company. Total asset turnover formula: sale divide total asset. Since the year of 2016 is less than year 2017 and 18, this will give effective in collecting total asset in company. Number 3, leverage or solvency ratio. Debt ratio formula: total debt divide total asset. The lower is the better. The debt ratio for year 2018 is the lower, so the company AHMAD on year 2018 can afford to recover the liability due their value of the total asset is high. Debt to equity formula: total debt divide total equity. The debt to equity ratio for 2018 is the lower compared to 2016 and 2017, so the owner equity of company AHMAD in year 2018 can afford to cover the liability due the higher value of total equity. Time interest earned formula: EBIT divide interest expense. The time interest earned of 2018 is higher than 2016 and 2017. This shows that the company AHMAD in 2018 can meet loan requirement and lower risk of default. Number 4, profitability ratio. Gross profit margin formula: gross profit divide sale. The gross profit margin in 2016 is higher than 2017 and 2018. The higher ratio indicator made better productivity in AHMAD company in produce their product. Operating profit margin formula: EBIT divide sale. The ratio of operating profit margin in 2016 is higher than 2017 and 2018, which means the company AHMAD produced a better productivity in 2016. Net profit margin: net income divide total sale. Since the net profit margin for 2016 is higher, therefore the net profit margin for 2016 is better compared to 2018 and 2017.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is KHADIJAH SUKARMAN. My meeting number is A18A0928. I will explain about the horizontal analysis IJM cooperation BERHAD. Firstly, I will explain about the ratio. Ratio have a 4 types of ratio. The first is the liquidity ratio, activity ratio, leverage ratio, and lastly a probability ratio. For the liquidity ratio, they have a net ratio, they have current ratio, net working ratio, net working capital. For the activity ratio, they have an average collection period, account receivable turnover, fixed asset turnover, and lastly total asset turnover. And for the third is a leverage ratio. Leverage ratio has 3 types, which is a debt ratio, debt to equity ratio, and the last is time interest earned. And for the probability ratio, they also has 3 types, which is a gross profit margin, operating profit margin, and net profit margin. For the liquidity ratio, for the current ratio, they in 2016 they have 3.01 times, 2017 2.91 times, and 2018 is 1.87 times. This ratio they has showed that current ratio in 2016 is better than 2017 and 2018. For the net working capital, in 2016 they have 8,79151 ringgit, 1,556,797 times. In 2018, they have 931,743 times. They show that in 2017 is better than 2016 and 2017. Next is activity ratio. For the activity ratio, they have an average collecting period. In average collecting period in 2016 is 1467.96. In 2017, 1639.08 times. In 2018, 1479.45 times. This shows that in 2017 is the higher collecting period than 2016 and 2018. Account receivable turnover in 2016 is better. In 2017 is less than 2016 and 2018. That will give an effective collecting receivable in company, as you can see on the slide. For the fixed asset turnover, we get 2016 is the less than 2017 and 2018. The amount you can see on the slide. Also with the total asset turnover, in 2016 it's less than 2018 and 2017. Also you can see on the for the leverage ratio. For the debt ratio in 2016 is 30%, 2017 125%, in 2018 is 34%. For the 2016 is the debt ratio is the less, is the lower than 2017 and 2018, so that is a good. For the equity, debt to equity, they in 2016 we get 44%, 2017 47%, and 2018 52%. They also showed that 2016 is the lowest amount for debt to equity ratio. This show that this is the best. For the time intern earned, we get 377% for 2016, and 2017 we get 486%, and 2018 is 594%. This 2018 is higher than 2016 and 2017. That show the IJM Corporation BERHAD can meet loan requirement and low risk to debtful. For the probability ratio, gross profit margin, we get in 2016 a higher amount of gross profit margin than 2016, 17 and 2018. The higher ratio can indicate to make more productive for IJM Corporation Corporate BERHAD. For the operating profit margin in 2017 is higher than 2016 and 2018, so they can make more better production. In net profit margin in 2017 is higher than 2016 and 2017 with amount of 0.870. Thank you.
Okay, for the conclusion, from the analysis, we can include the income statement, balance sheet, statement cash flow, and a statement of return earning. Finance statement or return record they convey the business activity and the final performance of a company. we can identify our competition. Our competition, there is IJM's company, Corporation Berhad, is more better than finance management. Then we also learn how to forecasting the profit and the loss in certain year by using finance ratio such as liquidity ratio, leverage ratio, probability ratio, and activity ratio. We also can conclude the calculation that involves in order knowing information for the whole difference between the bonds of company. From this information, we can identify the problem facing is the company's finance and can improve the company finance in the future. Thank you.